Hey guys, it's me VLLO over here, and I'm gonna be propagating Graptopetalum Ellen. They are supposed to be pink in color, but I don't know why they are green. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking cuttings of the big ones, and I'm going to repot them. I have some pots here. So yeah, let's get started. Guys, it's me Billy over here, and I'm back with another video. And this time, this video is gonna be our 3 weeks and 3 days update from my Graptopetalum Ellen propagation video. So let's check if they have roots. So if you're wondering, cause back then there's like 4 of them, wait 3 of them. And here's where they are. This is one of it here. So if you're wondering where does this come from, they are the baby leaves propagation back then. And where is the other one? I believe is this one over here. Yeah, this one too. So there's still 2 over here. Let's check their root condition. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there is root. Okay, let's put it over here. Oh my god, I need a new phone, seriously. It's focusing on the table instead of the plant. Okay, now it's focusing on the plant, but you can see the root. Like, look at that. Yeah, you guys can kind of tell by the root. So let's check on the other one. This one I removed it because it was getting a root rot. I'm not sure why. Oh no. the stem just become thinner, which means the plant is about to be dead soon. But I will try to save it. So now let me show you guys how the plants look like after I repot them. They grow much more happier. I'm not sure if they're happy or not, but okay, let me give you an update on the stem propagation. Like not stem propagation, like the mother plants that I cut off. You can tell there's a baby over here, there's one down there, and for this one there's one over there, and for this one there's other one there too. And I don't remember which other one I cut. Yeah, I don't remember, because there's only 3 of them at the moment that has like body head. Okay, so here's the leaf propagation. It's only been 3 weeks and 3 days, and you can kind of tell most of them have like babies. Some of them has only leaves and no roots, and some of them only have roots and no babies. Okay, so this one is actually not a Graptopetalum Ellen. I just throw it in because it was from other plants. And if you're wondering what this is a Echeveria provo numbered, and my first propagation, like my first try, it only has leaves and no roots, so I decided to keep it in the soil. Anyways, so I'm just gonna find a spot and put this into the planter. Is that what you call it? I'm not sure, but yeah, I might try to save this one too. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.